Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. I highly recommend to moisturize. I chose the OLEHENRIKSEN. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation on classic beige. And to blend it, I used the PUR Blending Sponge. Sorry for how it looks, it's not cute anymore. Now I will be using the Iluvsarahii collaboration with Colourpop. The palette that I chose is the Chic-Y one, and we're going to use the distress all over the lid. I recommend you to start little by little with the color, that way you can get the tone that you prefer. So when I did the other eye, I did something wrong. I started up, and you should start from the bottom of your eye and then going upwards. That way the color looks more intense at the bottom and not at the brows area. Now I'm going to use freckles. And then again, just start little by little. When you get the color that you like, you can go upwards and blend it as much as you can. The same on the other eye. This foundation is from medium to full coverage. I just use a dab on the forehead, the cheeks, and the chin. Now with a smaller brush, we're going to use freckles on our lower lid. I don't like to take it all the way to the tear dot because I would like to make an illusion that my eyes are bigger. For the lashes, I use Lights Camera lashes from Tarte. If you would like to make it more dramatic, you can use false eyelashes, but I wanted to make it look simple, like for a day-used makeup. This mascara is really dramatic, but mine is almost over, so don't be fooled by what you're seeing. If you buy it, you will see a more drastic change in your lashes. For lips, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. I started with soft lilac. But then I realized that I didn't want it to be that pinkish. So I used Dusty Rose on top. to set the face, I use the NYX Mineral Loose Powder Set It and Don't Fret It. This is really good for oily skins like mine. That will help the makeup to last longer. So now I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. I will be using Java shade. Due to the light, you will see that the colors looks pretty light, but they don't. They are pretty nice. I apologize for the light quality at this time of the video. I was trying to use sunlight and it was getting dark at this time of the day, but I promise I will get better with time. Now I am contouring the forehead to make an illusion that it's smaller. You don't need to do it if you feel okay with the size of your forehead. But since mine it's kind of big, I need to do it. You will not see a big difference because I'm just using a little bit of the product because I would like to make it look as natural as possible. For highlight, I will be using my favorite YouTuber palette, which is the Carli Bybel one. This is the first one. A little goes a long way, so just dip the brush like 1 or 2 times and start blending it from there. And if you need more, just go dip it again and apply more. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit on the tip of my nose and later on the bridge. If you don't want to bring attention to your nose, that is completely optional. You don't have to do this. I'm going to use the color Fawn just to make an illusion that my nose is smaller. If you want your nose to look more sharp, you can use a more precise brush. Here I didn't want to make a big difference because I like the size of my nose. Now to set everything that I did, I will be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. They changed the name. It used to be Prep and Set, but now this is the name. So this is what I came with. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!